we do love a Vanquish at Aston Keeper, and today we're off on a little road test doing a misfire check, and at the moment all looks pretty good. Now we are servicing this car, but it was also in a few weeks ago for us to track down a mysterious knock, and the customer said it had been to a main dealer 3 times, 3 services, 3 years in a row. He said, can you find this knock? And they'd spent time and labour taking under trays off and wiggling at suspension and prodding things, and they didn't find anything. Now we did exactly the same, and through a process of elimination, tapping on various parts of the car, eventually rounded it down to actually what sounded like something trapped inside the floor, which didn't make a lot of sense. So we took the driver's seat out, and lo and behold, found 3 euro coins sat on the metal floor of the car, right under the seat here, and they were vibrating, causing the tapping sound. Could not believe it. Customer didn't believe it, took it away, road test, and was blown away when he says, yeah, you fixed it. And he got 3 euros out of it. So, you know, it's a win-win, you might say.